2023 has been a phenomenal year for real estate, and I have had the honor of helping numerous buyers and sellers achieve their dreams. And I am incredibly grateful for their trust that they have placed in me. The results we have achieved together have been nothing short of remarkable, and I'm excited to share some of the highlights with you. Last year, we sold over 10 million plus in volume. More important, I had the opportunity to make new friends and acquaintances along the way. First and foremost, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all of the amazing buyers. Each of them came to me with unique requirements and preferences, and it was a pleasure to assist them in finding the perfect home. From young families looking for a cozy space to retirees seeking a peaceful retreat, I've had the privilege of being part of the journey, witnessing the joy on their faces as they stepped into their new home. Well, it's truly priceless. On the other side of the spectrum, I am equally grateful for the incredible sellers. Working closely with them to market and sell their properties was a fulfilling experience. Guiding them through the process from setting the right price to negotiating offers, it's a responsibility I take serious. To see their property sell quickly at an excellent price, it's a testament to my expertise and a source of immense satisfaction. In the realm of real estate news, 2023 has been an eventful year. The market has remained strong and demand has consistently outweighed supply. Navigating through the competitive landscape required staying on top of the latest trends and having a deep understanding of the local markets. With every challenge, though, came an opportunity. I was able to leverage my knowledge, expertise, and network to ensure my clients are always one step ahead and they reap the rewards. I'm also thrilled to announce that I was awarded the prestigious 5-star award as seen in Connecticut magazine. The recognition is a testament to the dedication and passion I bring to my profession. It serves as a constant reminder of the trust the clients have placed in me, motivating me to continually raise the bar and deliver exceptional service. As I reflect on the past year, I cannot help but feel a profound sense of gratitude for my wonderful real estate clients. Their trust, support, and appreciation have been the driving force behind the success. It's because of them I wake up every day with a sense of purpose, ready to go above and beyond to make the real estate dreams come true. I get to be an active part of the community, volunteer my time with the Lions Club, Park and Rec Board in Granby. I get to help on the Little League board, and most fun, I get to coach so many young players. Looking ahead, I am excited for what the future holds in 2024. With renewed enthusiasm, I am committed to continuing to provide service to my clients and make their real estate journey as smooth and rewarding as possible. Together, let us make 2024 an even more extraordinary year for everyone.